Good morning. I'm back down at the cruise ship terminal on the airport road here to video this boat here. This is the BOUDICCA. I'm sorry I just can't get a wee bit closer, but I'd get in trouble here. Has capacity, I think there's about 900 on her, with 300 of a crew. So she's very welcome, as is all the other cruise ships. There's the and just another angled shot of the BOUDICCA, just at rest in Belfast Harbour. Just panning in, or zooming in. She's actually bigger than what I thought. Fred Olsen Lines. And I've videoed so many of these cruise ships coming into Belfast. I can't remember which ones I've videoed and which ones I haven't. But I don't think I've videoed the BOUDICCA before. Lovely boat. And the passengers are getting a break day. It's high pressure and anticyclonic, and that's very nice for them, I'm sure. Bit nippy, mind you, but then what do you expect for mid-October? Okay. Belfast Harbour, and there's the Stena.